If your LG portable air conditioner suddenly shows an FL error code, don't panic, this is one of the most common and easiest issues to fix. The FL error code simply means the internal water tank is full. LG portable ACs remove moisture from the air while cooling, and that water collects inside a built-in tank. When the tank reaches its limit, the unit shuts down to prevent leaks. To fix it, first turn off and unplug the unit for safety. Locate the drain port, usually at the bottom or rear of the AC. Place a shallow container underneath, remove the drain plug, and allow all the water to drain out completely. Gently tilting the unit can help release trapped water. Once empty, securely reinstall the drain plug, plug the unit back in, and power it on the FL error should disappear, and cooling will resume normally. To prevent future FL errors, consider setting up continuous drainage with a hose if your model supports it, especially in humid climates. Even self-evaporating LG models may still need manual draining during high humidity. Regular maintenance also helps. Keep the unit level, empty the tank before it's completely full, and clean the air filter every 2 weeks to reduce excess moisture buildup. If the FL code keeps returning after draining and power cycling, it may indicate a faulty water level float or internal sensor, in which case professional service is recommended.